So there are over millions of applications on the Play Store. So how do you know which is the safe one or which is the dangerous? Well, in this video, I am going to show you some of the applications that has over millions of downloads. But the reality is, come closer, they are dangerous. So let's jump right into the video. Hey there, it's me Varun here. Welcome to another video, and in today's episode I am going to show you some of the applications that are dangerous for your smartphone. But before that, if you have not subscribed this channel, what you guys are doing, just smash that subscribe button and let's move to the first app. So you guys might have definitely heard about this type of applications like Clean Master or RAM Booster or 360 Security or might be Due Battery, and which tell you guys that they will double your battery or they will boost your RAM and boost your phone and all that. They are just useless, and that's because they works completely opposite. They tell you that they will boost your phone, they will clear the cache files, and first of all, I will not recommend you guys any way to clear up the cache files of any app, and that's because the cache files works completely different. But in short, if I tell you guys, clearing the cache files and using this type of boost applications will boost your phone, but in a short term. But in a long term, if you use this type of applications, they will harm your battery, they will slow down your phone. So just don't install this type of applications, and if you already have, go uninstall it right now. Also, the another reason why they are so harmful, that's because they send your sensitive data to their servers. But hey, that's not the problem. The problem is when they do it secretly and then they show the relevant ads to your data. So in short, don't install this type of applications. They don't boost your phone, they just slow down your phone. Okay, so next on our list is Quick Pick Gallery, which is just a basic gallery applications having over millions of downloads. But in a first scenario, it was not so much dangerous, but when it was acquired by the Cheetah mobile company, it started leaking a lot of data. These apps takes up your internet connection and then they send the data to their servers secretly. And when you go on that website, it will be written that they are more concerned about your data and they will not leak any type of data, but the reality is they do, and I don't trust it anyway, and I will not recommend you guys to trust it. So definitely don't install it, and if you already have, go uninstall it right now. Okay, so now next on our list is ES File Explorer, which has over hundreds of millions of downloads and is also one of the famous file manager on the Play Store. And actually there are so many reasons to uninstall it. So the first reason is because they give you a lot of spam notifications, and the second reason is that they give you their own lock screen with just irrelevant ads. And talking about ads, the third reason is that if you open this application, then there you will see a lot of irrelevant ads, which in my opinion just. And the worst part about this application is that it takes a lot more battery as well as lot more CPU usage in the background. So don't install it anyway, and if you already have, go uninstall it right now. So the last but not least, if you guys use third-party browsers, then you might definitely heard about UC browser or the Dolphin browser. Both of them are so much famous on the Play Store, and this application do the same what the Quick Pick Gallery does, and that's sending your sensitive data to the servers secretly. And I don't know why, but these applications requires almost every permissions, and even the UC browser and the Dolphin browser, both of them were accused about leaking their data. And the worst part is that in the past the Dolphin browser was accused to leak their data even when you are using the incognito mode. What the Okay, so these were some of the applications that you guys should definitely install. No, you shouldn't. But now let's talk about why these applications are so much dangerous. Okay, so the first reason I already talked about, and that's the sending your sensitive data to the servers and blah blah blah. But do you know what's the bitter truth about you guys? That is just you don't see what the app is asking for. you just tap on allow, and at last you are giving the app the access to all your data. I mean, many of you guys don't understand the power of the data. If this goes into wrong hands, then it can harm you a lot. So it is important to be aware of this, and you know what's the more important is to make other people aware of this. And that's why it's a humble request to you guys, yes, you guys, to share this video with all your friends and family. I don't know where you share, whether on the WhatsApp or the Facebook or the Twitter or anywhere, so that even they can be aware of this before facing any spams or frauds online. Last but not least, there are a lot of you guys who root your phone, but hey, rooting is not the problem, because even I root my phone. But the problem arises when you guys use this one-click root applications, that is like King Root or Kingo Root or One Click Root or iRoot, VRoot, etc, etc. If you guys are using this type of applications, then you are giving access to each and every data available on your phone to these root applications. So please don't install any type of applications that you don't trust. Also, if you guys like this video, then make sure to smash that like button, break that like button, and also let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about these dangerous applications. Also, the government of India has about declared 42 applications that are dangerous on the Play Store. So I will list them down in the description below. Make sure to check them out. And also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, what the hell you guys are doing? Follow me right now on Instagram. The first link in the description below will be of my Instagram handle. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. And as always, this is Varun signing off, and I will catch you in the next one. Till that, take care, be aware, and make others aware.